Everyone and welcome. And today I'm going to guide you step by step on how to pay DSTV or GOTV subscription on Palmpay. Step 1. Open the Palmpay app. Move down, click on Palmpay, then click on it and sign on it. So right here is my Palmpay dashboard. Then the next thing to do is to click on more right here. Step 2, you scroll downward and search for TV. As you can see, I have my TV under the bill payment. Then you click on it. So right here is where to subscribe either to your DSTV or to your GoTV. Now, if I GoTV subscription, you keep it right here. Then select GoTV, enter your smart card. Then is your offer 1 month, 2 months, or 3 months. You click the one you wish to subscribe on. And also, if you are a DSTV subscriber, you click on DSTV and choose the offer you deem fit. And here is a step-by-step guide on how to subscribe on GoTV or DSTV on Palmpay. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.